Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to translate a PDF document that is in another language, so by using Google Translate. So just write Google Translate, then go to Google Translate here, click on that link, and then you can basically translate anything. There's a lot of languages you can translate. Put on the tech language, or if you know what language the document is in, you can just keep it on. You could change it to a language that it's in, and then you choose the language you're translating to. So if you know English, or if you want in English, you put this. Alright, so I already got this document. It is in Chinese, I think. It's from, I just searched up Chinese document and this popped up. So in order to do this, click on documents, and just what you want to do is download the file. And then after you download it, just drag it in, put it here. Actually, no. Click browse your computer, go to your downloads, or wherever your PDF is. Then click on it, click open, then click on translate. It's gonna take a second to translate, and then it should be translated. Alright, let's click it. And then here, it is now translated. It is translated by Google. But the thing is, now you can understand and be able to read, or like send someone that can understand. You could also do like normal stuff. You could contribute. You could also look at history, like what you've translated before. You could also do websites, but today we're just doing documents. And thank you for watching.